Hi, what's up guys? So in this video you're going to discover how to earn free Litecoin without any investment. So this method is 100% free, no investment needed upfront, no experience needed, and it is newbie friendly. So regardless of whether you have any experience or not, any knowledge about Bitcoin, cryptocurrency or not, you are able to do this. Okay, so I just claim my Litecoin over here. So we're going to do more. I'm going to show you the exact step. So this is going to be step-by-step tutorial. I'm going to walk you through the entire process and step. All right, so if you like this video, give this video a thumbs up because it does help my algorithm. All right, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification as well, because in this channel I'm going to talk a lot about how to invest in Bitcoin, how to get the mining site for free, and etc, etc. Okay, so as you can see, this is the current price for Litecoin. It is on uptrend mode, so that is why I want to show you the hack, the tactic, the easiest way on how to get the Litecoin for free. You don't have to invest directly to Litecoin because it is a bit a risk, but instead you can literally get it for free and make more money when the price is increased. Okay, so first website that you're gonna need to go is faucetpay.io. right, so head off to faucetpay.io. You're going to land over to this particular site. So I have logged in. You might want to register. The sign up process is literally free. Don't have to put even your credit card information or whatsoever. Okay, so this is the overview. As you can see, there are so many coins available here. So we are going to make a free Litecoin in this particular video. All right, so I'm going to click deposit. We're going to start. And then as you can see here, this is all the address for the coin. So this is the Litecoin. I'm going to click copy for the Litecoin. And then what you need to do next is you need to head off to paid to money. This is the second website. And this is the secret. This is the best and powerful because it only requires few steps in order for you to gain a free Litecoin over here. All right. So if I'm not mistaken, it only requires you 2 steps in order to do this. Okay. So as you can see here, claim 275 Satoshi every 2 minutes. You have 39 claims left today, right? So I have claimed previously. So I've got 275. So now I'm going to walk you through. We're going to do together. Okay. So what you need to do, the first step, of course, you need to sign up with the paidtomoney.com. Okay, in order to get a free Litecoin. So I'm going to put my address here, email address, the one that you sign up with the paid to money, and then I'm going to go ahead to click the second step. So this is the one. So once you click, you're going to redirect to a pop-up window. So as you can see, this is the capture process, and then once you finish to confirm all the capture, you're gonna get 275 Satoshi, which is it can convert in your Litecoin. Okay, so take a look at this capture. Magneton, all right, this one, and Reaccent, this one, I guess. Libelers, this one, and then blowers. All right, what you need to do is simply click one by one according to the arrangement here, right? So the first one would be this one, and then I'm going to click Magneton. Sorry, where's the Magneton? I think I've mistakenly click. Okay, try to click this one. Okay, so I'm not be able to do that because I was mistakenly click the wrong one. I think this is the one. Yeah, this is the one. Reaction, and then this one, and the fifth one, the fourth one is this one, and then I'm going to click I'm not a robot, and I'm going to verify the capture. Okay, so that's all what you need to do, and let's take a look whether we're going to see 275 Satoshi was sent to your Faucet Pay account. So what you need to do is go ahead to your Faucet Pay and then go ahead to the dashboard. I click to the user dashboard, and then I'm going to refresh. See, so just now, as you can see, I only has 275, and now it's double up to 550 already. Okay, so that is how you can make money with the Litecoin, and that is how you can get Litecoin for literally free. Okay, so as you can see down here, if you scroll down here, you can see all these people are actually making a lot of Litecoin for free right now, right? So this is all the same date, and it only different like a couple of seconds only. So many people are claiming their Satoshi, or you can actually claim to whatever coin that you desire over here. Okay, so guys, that's all. I hope you got some value throughout my sharing over here, and don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because I'm going to reveal to you a lot more tactic and method on how to get a lot of cryptocurrency for literally free. Okay, so do give this video a thumbs up as well. So thank you for watching. See you in my next video. Bye bye.